Hi, you guys. So let's talk about how to take the picture of your frames for your animated GIF, right? So when you're taking your photo, you're going to go to your camera. You might need to take your picture from further away. So I'm going to go ahead and take my picture here. And then you can see in my photo that I've got a lot of the table in the background, right? So if you have an iPhone, you're just going to look for this button on the bottom that says Edit. If you don't have an iPhone, however you would normally edit your photos, that's what you're going to use. And I'm going to crop out everything except for my picture, right? So I'm going to click on this little crop tool here at the bottom. If my picture is facing the wrong orientation, at this point, I would also want to fix that, right? So let's just say, for example, my elephant picture uh, came in sideways instead of up and down like this. I would use this button here at the top that has like an arrow pointing that way to turn it so that it would be facing the correct direction, right? But mine was already up and down the way that I wanted, so that's okay. And then all I'm gonna do is try to make this guy fit in the crop. Just like that, right? So now that I have my crop the way that I want it, I'm gonna press done. And I need to send this to my drive, right? So I'm gonna press this little arrow here at the bottom. And I have a couple options of how I could do this, right? So I could, if I had a Mac, I could airdrop this picture onto my Mac. If I don't, which I don't, I have a Lenovo, I could email it to myself. So I could click on mail here. I would need to type in the email address that I want to send it to. And then once that email address turns blue, so will the arrow to send it. So I would then just send this guy to my email, which I could then open on my computer. Or I could send it to my drive, which happens to be my favorite way. So I'm going to go ahead and click on drive. If that's not there, you might need to click on the little three dots over here to find the app that you want to send it to. And you would just find the drive app, right? But mine's already here. And then this little upload button is gray. So in order to turn it to blue so that I can use it, I need to select a folder. So I'm going to select a folder in my drive. And then I need to click the Save Here button. After I click the Save Here button, then I can click Upload. So that is how we would get those pictures onto our drive so that we can put them into Giphy to create our GIF.